Rep County ya Kirinyaga Nyamira oyibona otigeto chinkoma chintindi ni gobare awabere bagwesokia na kunyara gukwanege kolekyo ekiona barokane kogikiria mwana gote abuna mureyonde bwensi na banteka wesiko anene asobora ibwaye oyobonga gukwana no Women Rep County ya Kisii Donya toto na baigona baraibande asona bagandiesko anagocha sabarai abasubati.
When women reps are going round checking on what is ailing our people, the governors or senators feel threatened. And this word leader doesn't make sense to most of our people. Some think when you are a leader and you are earning 7 figures, you are now the topmost. When you are earning 6 figures, you follow that who is earning more. We are rated as how much you're earning, maybe how many bodyguards you have, and your sex. Are you a female or you're male? When you're female, you can imagine what can happen. So Honorable Gasheri's incident is quite unfortunate. We can't throw our fingers, oh, she's not in books with so-and-so, she's not in books with so-and-so. When you are elected, you are on your own. That's why we don't have 2 women reps in Kirinyaga. We have 1. She has people who voted for her, and the others have people who voted for her. What we need to do is to have respect, and the voters will judge at the end of the 5 years that one is in office.
It's very sad. As a young parliamentarian, as a woman, I was looking at the picture of Honorable Gasheri, Nyamira, and it took me back to when we were campaigning. And it took me back to all the incidences that we tried to report as women. And we talk about it, and now there is the 2/3 gender rule that we are trying to implement, and